Hindi natin alam kung anong motivation niya. Pero sa akin, bago pa yung political motivation mo to maintain your office, bago pa yung political motivation mo for higher office in the future, isipin mo muna yung trabaho mo under the Constitution. That is part of your sworn oath as a Senate President, no? At kung may aspirasyon pa siya for higher office in the future, I'd like to call on the public. Ngayon pa lang, nananawagan na ako na hindi na dapat yan ma-elect sa public office. 'Di ba? Sawang-sawa na tayo. Sawang-sawa na tayo na personality-based politics, personality-based ang hustisya, personality-based ang pananagutan, personality-based ang accountability. We have to make sure that our institutions are working, are strong enough, no? At dapat paggalawin natin sila. So dapat hindi naman ulit si Chis Escudero. Kung hindi niya sisimulan ang investigasyon, hindi niya gagalangin ang impeachment proceedings, they should never win again.